How to add WhatsApp number in Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then tap on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down until you find the option of access your information over here. So just tap on access your information, then tap on continue, and then just scroll down and then you'll be able to see different options over here. Now just tap on personal information over here. After tapping on that, you can see the profile information over here. So just tap on see more and then scroll down and then tap on your account, your contact information. So what you need to do is you just have to add your phone number over here. You can add it over here from the contact info, and as you tap on contact info, you'll be able to add your phone number, WhatsApp number as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.